missing because our video went viral on YouTube. Yes, yes. Great.
So
Yes, why not? Why not? I can hear you. I can hear you. Really, I can hear you. Yes.
happy to see you after long again.
Yes, yes. After a long time, we are missing because our video went viral on YouTube. Yes, yes. Great.
So how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Tell me you. How are you?
I'm good. So is it cold at your place?
Yes, yes, yes. At my place here, it is too cold. That's why you can get to see what sweater, like you can see sweater I wore, on my body. So that
Yeah.
I will not be able to feel, what, cold. Actually, I feel cold, that's why I wore. Yes, sweater. Yes,
Okay. So what's going on these days?
yes. These days in my area, these kinds of works are going on. Like you can see paddy.
Mhm.
Yes. These
Yeah.
all are paddies were bound here, and this all will be I think taken, will be taken home by the
Mhm.
people. People will come to take. Yes,
Mhm. Okay. That's
really. Yes, yes.
right. So and how your studies are going on?
Also, my study is going on well, actually, the time of the like exam that is getting closer, like coming the date of exam, so I will give the exam around in month of, February, first week of February 2026. So
Okay.
also for that, I prepare, yes, I'm preparing for that. Yes.
Okay. So how much are you prepared?
Yes, yes. So far, I don't know, but all the same, I think I have prepared more, because for a long time, I have been preparing for exam because this is my last exam in our school, like 10th board, So that's why, I am preparing so that I will get good marks and then I will be able to take the admission in good college. Yes.
Okay, so what's your future plan?
Yes, yes. You asking about future plan, like if I
Ah,
talk about that, I think lots of goals, I like, but which one is possible? Like I want to become an IS officer from, if I talk about according to my parents, they want me to become like teacher, like that. So many things, I want to be, but I think everything I can't be, right? Like teacher, I can't become doctor, I can't become. Yes. So
mhm.
I think IS officer, I think only. Yes, that is because my study time is very different, I don't sleep, people will be sleeping at that time, I will be studying, you can consider. Yes, like that.
Okay, so are you teaching these days? I remember last conversation you told me that you are teaching.
Yes, yes, really. But nowadays I think before I used to teach for, I think up to 2 years, till 2 years, but nowadays I'm teaching, I think 1 year, like 1 hours only, yes,
Okay, all right. So
before 2 hours. Yes,
students
nowadays
with
two,
at the moment.
yes, yes, nowadays 1 hours only. Yes, like that.
How many students are there at the moment?
This time, I think 20 students. Before 25, some students they left. Yes.
So
But I think because of cold, because I think they are unable to come my home because my house, my home is near to the forest. So they are having to come from that side, So
okay.
they feel cold. That's why I think they said to me, like, Jadu, after cold, like we will again start going your home to learn English like that.
Once
Yes.
the weather will change.
Yes, what?
Once the weather will change, so they will rejoin.
Really, really. And now I'm thinking to often like build house their side, so that they don't need to come here, they will uh, like I will teach them that side, like I'm building house. You can consider, yes, like
Wow,
that. Yes, yes.
that's
For
really
teaching students, yes, yes. Because they are unable to come here because my house is near to the forest, and they need to. There is no any way. Even in rainy season, it is quite difficult to come, So
uh-huh.
that's why I'm thinking to build there so that they will be able to come easily, via road, like through road, easily they will be able to come. That's why. Yes,
Okay, good to hear that.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Okay, so what else you have?
Yes, yes. I have many things, Tell me first of all, how is your channel going on, because I think before a long time, like we used to talk, I think after a long time we are meeting. So tell me about your channel, how is that going on nowadays?
honestly tell
Yes, yes,
you, from last 20 days, I
yes,
restarted.
yes,
And from the past 6 months, I was not doing anything on my channel. I shifted my house. So then I was wondering that now I shifted my house, I will get lot of time to make videos. But due to other tasks, I was not able to post anything. So I just took a break for 5 to 6 good time, 6 months,
yes,
and
yes,
after
yes, yes,
that
yes.
I restarted. Now I started being regular, and I promise myself that I will be regular.
Really, really, why not? Why not? Like we have to be regular, otherwise we can't get success. I think maybe that problem we can get, like nowadays everyone should work continuously, like daily, right? So if he will stop one day, that then I
Correct.
think can't get success. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, really.
and if I'm no matter how busy I am, I will make chance or I will get chance to give my classes. But to
Yes,
post
yes.
on social media, I think it's not my priority. But now I am making it as my priority that I will be regular in posting the content.
Really, really, yes. You have to post regular, Yes, yes. So, how
Yeah.
many content, like videos, you have uploaded on your channel so far? Because you have been working on your channel for a long time. I know very well. So, tell
I
me.
have posted almost at 400 plus, like including shorts and videos.
Oh, okay. In the beginning time, what types of video you used to make in the beginning time?
See, I tell you, I always make the content related to English, which will be in value addition in terms of vocabulary,
Oh,
grammar, and how to present yourself well.
yes, yes. Nowadays I think whenever I search about any channel, in which mostly nowadays you will get like conversation related video, So whenever I check their old video, I find only like solo types of video they used to make before, but now like newly like they are making a conversation video. So I was also doing the same, in the beginning time. That time, I didn't have any idea that how should I talk, connect with people, and which application even I didn't have knowledge about Skype as well. I think you have knowledge because you used to talk in that,
Yeah,
right? That's why.
I
So
used
I came to know
to.
about conversation. Yes, it's very important for us. So I started talking with people. Different people, like with them I started talking, and I started uploading videos. So now I started getting views from them. They are watching my video. Even in my area, I'm very famous nowadays because of my videos. Yes.
But that's good.
Really, yes, yes,
That's
yes.
really good to hear. Like at such a young age, you're really doing an amazing job.
Really, yes, yes, yes.
So,
And
what
little, yes, yes. What?
Yeah, I'm saying what tips and tricks you would like to give to the young learners that how they should not waste their time and how they should use their time and earn name and fame.
Yes, 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 yes. I think in my area, if I talk about village area, I think the city people know very well, like how should we, like, put time, in anything, like learning anything, right? But in village area, like people, mostly students, they don't know. Even if you will see the students of village area, those who come from the village area, like they waste their time, like they play game, right?
Yeah.
So they play game. But in the city, I think mostly people very well, they know very well that how should we use mobile, like what should we learn from mobile, like that. So if I will tell, talk about,
I
yes,
always wonder, like most of the kids like you, they utilize it to do something good, but they waste the time in searching something, watching unnecessary videos.
really, really, yes. So nowadays everyone should. As many students are, they want to learn English language. I think for learning anything, I think mobile, from one side I can say mobile is bad thing or good thing also, right? Yes, yes. So if you will use in good way, so I think I can say mobile is all around good thing. I think I can say, but we are using in bad way, right? Like play PUBG, but we should not do that. Like we have to learn that what is good. Like nowadays, I have seen many people, they are busy, like they are student, they are what, like they are wasting their time making reels, like in which they don't get anything, even they don't get respect, that kinds of things, like videos they are making dancing. I think they have to dance, I think so. All the same, that is good. But if I talk about good thing, that is they have to learn something good, what can help them in their life, like, right? So something they have to learn what can help them. Yes, like
How
that.
much you have improved yourself, like from the beginning till now, you have also been on your journey. For how much have you improved?
Yes, sir. I think I have improved. Some people say that Jadu, like if I will compare you with like then before time, I think nowadays you have improved a lot, because you have changed a lot, like that they say about me. Actually, nowadays, what will I say? In the school also, nowadays I became confidence, right? Before I was unable to talk with people, even with boy also, I was unable to talk in English. I was able to talk in other language except English, but in English I was unable to talk. But nowadays I able to talk with everyone in English. Even I keep talking in English with teachers in the school, whether my school is Hindi medium. Or some, I speak only in English in the class with sisters, brothers, everyone. Yes. They speak with me in English. They know that Jadu knows English. That's why they speak with me only in English. Yes.
Okay, that is good. So, are you doing nowadays also? Are you doing something to improve your English?
Really, really. Yes. Nowadays, for improving your English, I'm learning like advanced types of words. Like advanced words means like I can easily translate anything. Like sometime what happens, I think some people those who have like less knowledge about English, like if they don't know, if someone does not know like more words, so I think he can face problem like he can't speak English. Like advanced topic he can't discuss. So that's why I decided I have to learn advanced words. So nowadays I'm learning advanced structures, formulas to learn English language. Many channels like I follow on YouTube, and I keep writing the words. I have written many words. I think I filled around 20. I think 20 not I think five notebooks by writing with words with formulas. Yes.
Okay, tell me five new words that you learned recently.
Yes, yes. New five new words. It is not that like notebooks. I have failed by writing a notebook. I bought three notebook and I have written lots of words in that notebook and I completely failed
If
that
you
all
remember,
three
tell
notebooks.
me five words with their meanings and a sentence with it.
Yes, yes.
Let
What?
me just check how much you remember. Tell me five new words that you learned with their meaning and a sentence with it.
Yes, yes. For example, one formula like बोलने में क्या जाता है? बोल yes, yes. बोलने में क्या जाता है? What goes to speak, right? बोलने में क्या जाता है? So these all things, I keep learning from
Yeah,
YouTube.
go and
Yes,
tell
yes.
me another four more you have to tell me.
Yes, yes.
Second,
Okay, clear why not? Yes, yes, yes.
I'm taking
So
your
एक
test.
एक तो over smart like ज्यादा होशियार बनना, right? एक तो over
Uh-huh.
smart, right? Yes, yes.
Okay,
Like that.
very
And
smart.
other, I will tell as of now, आज के बाद, right? Many
Okay,
things, except
two
this all
more,
I learned,
two more.
Yes, yes.
Tell me two
So
more.
let me, yes, yes. Other is, one is like despite being, right?
Mhm.
Despite being. So that also, I learned. And many things like I have, like a lot, like ज़्यादा है. Like you have changed a lot. ज़्यादा ही आप बदल गए हैं. Like that, I think. Maybe.
Okay, make a
Yes, yes.
sentence with despite being. That's a really good thing to learn. Despite being, make any sentence with it.
Yes, yes. So despite being a doctor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Like you are doing other works, like I can say, right?
good. Very
Yes,
impressive. Yeah,
really.
so the
Yes.
ones you told me, they are good enough.
Actually, in the class also, like I think in our school for a long time, grammar teachers is not available in our school. So I'm teaching, and I think some teachers are available for English. I think they mostly sometimes they will be busy. So they say to me, Jadu, please handle the class like that. Please go and teach students like that. And I improve myself. I feel great.
So
Whether I will be given money or not, I don't think about that. Yes.
which class students do you teach?
The students of my class, in which class I study. Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
That means you're the
Really.
most intelligent one in the class.
Really, the students of my class, I'm teaching because I think that if I'll teach the students of my class, I think, because they are of my age, right? So I will get the experience. Like easily, I can teach, again, right? Like if I will get chance, another place, where I have to teach, the students of my age. So easily I can teach. That's why, I'm teaching them. Yes. And even children easily I can teach, because children's like us, many children's like children they are studying in our school, I think their book is very easy to understand, like in easy formula, like the story was written, right? That's why. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah.
Really.
Good.
That's right.
It's
Yes.
really
Today,
wonderful.
due to feel, I think, yes, yes. It is quite cold now, this time in my area. That's why you're right. Actually, at home, I think lots of noises of the people, like people keep making noises. That's why here I decided that I should go in the field area. Yes. I think in the daytime, I think you would enjoy a lot, because what happens that I will show you lot, I would show you lots of things, like trees, everything the people while working, you will get to see. Yes, in a daytime. Yes, in daytime mostly. Yes.
Okay, that is good. Yeah. I think now you should go home. It is even turning dark. I can see at your
Okay,
back.
okay. Okay, then we will meet tomorrow. It is turning dark, Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it is
Okay,
turning
okay.
dark. You might feel cold. You have to study a lot.
Really, really. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for connecting with me.
Yeah,
Yes.
welcome. Okay, we'll get a chance and we will connect some other day
Yes.
and you show me the stuff in your village. I would be happy to
Okay.
see that. Okay, all
Okay.
the best. Bye.